Peace. Healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? Very glorious indeed. Glorious day. I'm just thinking about as I'm walking back from the store now. People in that store, the fear in their mind, craziness, the sickness in their mind of the coronavirus. Eating a little dry mango, Dr. Sebi, alkaline electric base. Man, and I tell you, dog, like, people out there wearing this mask, workers there, and it's just, it's outrageous. It's absolutely outrageous in order to see people act like that. And I'm just like, I feel like I'm alone. Along with those that can critically think. At the same time, I can accept this gift. I can accept this gift for what it is, because this is a gift in order to see who thinks for themselves. Who thinks for themselves? This is the fear virus. Who's strong? Who has a strong mind and who doesn't? This right here is going to show you, because this can physically show you right now. This can physically show you right now, man. Who's able to think for themselves? Who has this ability? Or who doesn't? I'm listen to this beeping, but it shows you right now who has the ability to think, who can think for self, who doesn't, man, who's doing it right now, yo. Who's the winner? Who is the winner? Let's figure that out. What you gonna do? You gonna fold in a situation like this? You gonna fold? Like a lot of these people out here, I guess, who doing these videos, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you. Life is perfect. You must definitely go through moments. We'll go through moments, go through challenges and whatnot. See, like right now, before I was getting ready to leave, before I was on my way to the store, I saw my biological father. He saw me, getting my jacket on, getting my bag ready, because I was getting ready to leave. And because I was getting ready to leave, he's watching me smirking. He's smirking. I'm like, oh my gosh, it was the disgusting, distasteful look. And I wanted to level him out, man. I'm just like, this nasty ass mother. He's gonna pay. I promise he will. He's gonna pay. It's because, and he wasn't enjoying it, because he knows I gotta walk, because he stole my car, and he gets away with it. Stole the car that my biological mother had bought for me and put it in his name. And the car got into, I think it had an issue. Something blew out. I think it was something with the transmission. It was just the way it was going, the car was going, it was just gonna eventually happen. So, and because of that, it's in the shop. Never seen it since. So I know it's been over a year. I was gonna say it's like a 2 years or a year. And he was smirking. He was happy because of that. This is the same person who was happy when he had bought a bag of linen. It was actually dirty, his laundry. And he brought it past the door because my dog was sticking outside the door. And it's sticking outside the door. He put it close by, like almost as he wasn't gonna hit him, but he was gonna be like scare him. And he was doing it like rudely. And I'm like, hey, shut up. And he turned back and he smiled. He loved that. He got off of that. He got off of abusing my dog. He got off of that after abusing my dog and me saying something about it. What happens when I defend him? What's gonna happen then, bitch ass boy? A lot of people say just go no contact. Man, if it was that simple, I would have been dead. Promise. I just gotta make a change, because then he's gonna say something else and they're just dealing with something else. The narcissists, they're cowards, they're complete bitches. He's a freaking bitch. Can't stand him. How dare this motherfucker? He's just such a loser. He had the nerve to talk to other people, his relatives, and try to act like as though he hasn't done the wrongdoings. Like, who does he think he is? Who does he think he is? One thing, I had to get up and leave because one, man's had to get some food. And two, dog, I'm going to tell you like this. I had to get to figure out about the house. I wanted to be honest with y'all. Y'all know I'm doing as of right now, the time to record, I'm doing the 1 Funnel Away challenge. Greatest course ever. Greatest course I purchased. It was well worth the $97. And if you're on the fence about that, I don't know what the heck to tell you, because it's there. It's worth it. It's worth it. If you have $10 left in your account afterwards, it's worth it. It is worth it. As far as the knowledge you're gonna get, man, you need to get that course. You need to get that. You need to get that course. You need to get the 1 Funnel Away challenge course. And with the 14-day trial, I say till they start talking about them working on the funnels, that's when you activate it. That's when you should activate it. Because you just try to play around and you don't know what you're doing. Wait till you see them start playing around with it, showing you how to do it, then that's when you do it. That's when you should do the 1 Funnel Away challenge. I mean, that's when you should activate the free trial for ClickFunnels. But yeah. But it's a great course, and I think y'all should do it. But I was just going to be honest with y'all. With the ClickFunnels, today, as far as today, because I'll be up, my time is made up. So as far as with the digits, when you're really working and doing something, you don't even look at it. The clock is there, but it's like, you're not like, okay, how many hours is how much time you do something does not equate to the results. It's either you get results or you don't. Simple as that. You either get results or you don't. Simple as that. So that's where I'm at. So when I go and work on the stuff, that's what I'm doing. That's what my whole mindset is at. But the thing is, like I've been saying, like the last couple of days, as far as 2 days from now, 2 days. It's been 2 days now. Like, man, this energy has been something better than me. Some righteous energy, and other origines too. They saying it haven't too, and they're angry as well. And it's almost as they gotta do something. That's what they're telling me. Like, I'm like, shoot, man. we're all feeling it, and I'm like, but to be honest, I haven't even started the whatchamacallit, what's the ClickFunnels video? No, I haven't even started the OFA today. Not since I woke up today. I haven't started it because I know when I do something, I like to sit my butt there and don't get up until I finish at least one mission or one course, like one course of it. But I have been doing other stuff, and when I was trying to get, I really got to appreciate this. We really got to appreciate this. Appreciate nature and whatnot, because that's something that goes on for granted, because that's part of the reason why they want us boxed up inside during this quarantine, coronavirus, fake virus, scared stuff. They want you to be scared and fearful and not be accepting of life, because as soul people, we need. I thought he was talking to me. I heard someone say that guy right there. That's another thing too on this coronavirus. And when you switch to the alkaline electric based diet, your senses improve to a higher rate. They say they got 5 senses, but it's like, who are they to say you got 5? Because I feel like I got more than 5. Because I think, most definitely sense energy. I don't know, there's no sense for that, really. But I think all of them are most definitely tied in. That's how you got to make sure the body's most definitely in harmony. The body's most definitely in harmony. Sad. I'm just looking, I see somebody. But that's why, we switched to the alkaline electric based diet. And that's why I was able to hear him out just from the distance that he was at. And that's another thing too, because we know we're never going to get a disease. I know I'm never going to get cancer. I know I'm never going to get the coronavirus because of the teachings and the practices that I follow, the natural practices which I follow. And it goes with the mindset as well, because all disease starts in the mind, you dig? Most definitely. And if you want that, if you want to have that too, you can contact us. You can book us for a one-on-one coaching session, or even better, you can sign up for our coronavirus proof course. Yes, coronavirus proof course system. That's most definitely going to be there. It's going to be a powerful course because us, we're simply trying to change lives. It's most definitely going to be powerful, but make sure you guys get into the comment section. Make sure you guys like. And make sure you share this with whoever who needs this, because this is some really invigorating, some great stuff we got going on, yo. What else can I tell y'all? Hit the bell notification, because we got more uploads. You can see we've been uploading on the regular. Peace, love, and light, y'all.